All right, quick one. If you have been trading forex for some time and you do not know what top down analysis is, top down analysis is simply doing your analysis on a higher time frame down to a lower time frame using multiple time frame analysis, right? I have my computer here with me, and this is Chart Approach episode 4. So I'll quickly go to my screen and show you. So if you're an intermediate, a beginner trader, and you want to know how I analyze the market, let's go to my screen now. I have my computer here with me as it hot. All right, so quick one here. Traders, welcome inside of my screen. Let me quickly explain what is going here. This is USDJPY. And now listen, for those of you that are not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please do subscribe because I'll be doing other pair as time goes on. And also use the link in the description to join my free Telegram community. And I'm also going to be posting videos like this on my Telegram community very soon, right? Now, quickly, this is USDJPY. If in case maybe this is your first time seeing this particular video, go and watch episode 1, episode 2. Right, I already did analysis and what is going on here. Now, this is the monthly time frame, and what you do on the monthly time frame is simply to map at your key levels, right? As you can see, just understand the flow of the market, where the market is going. Do you understand? Now, if you check this market very well, this is like the whole chart, right? The market was coming down at this particular point here. That's around this point, this region here, and then it got to this point, started losing like the momentum of coming down. Then you start seeing that it's not going to the upside. You understand? Around this point. So like this now, this is the current flow of the market. From this point to this point is the current flow. This is what the market is currently doing, right? But if you check overall, this market is coming down. But since we're not working based on this, just this overall at all, we're working based on this current flow of this market. That's on the monthly time frame, the current flow of the monthly time frame. You understand? And what I did next is to map out the key levels on this monthly time frame, right? There's a touch here, there's a touch. Here is obviously a key level. Here is a key level. Here is a key level. You can see here are key levels, right? And mapping out, one thing is not just to map out your key levels, but also to map out your key levels correctly, right? Now, I map out here as a key level, but why need I map out this particular place as a key level? Now, there's a key level at this point. It's a level, right? I won't say it's a key level, but it's a level, but I didn't map it out based on, if you check at this point here, one market got to this point, which is a key level, later broke around this point and started falling down to this particular point. You see that it fell down to this point here. Instead of doing, and there's something called Elliott wave pattern, right? The market initially was able to like fall down and retest to this particular point, but it didn't. It just fell down almost to this point and then started going up now. Now, the current, like what's currently happening on this particular market is that the market is going up, right? And when the market was going up, it got to this point, fell down, went to this point, created equal highs, fell down, broke the equal highs, and then fell to this particular point, created equal lows, then went up. Now, it's unable to break this level. This is not the level we are trying to break. If it breaks this level, that's in the future time, the market is coming down to this particular level. But what is currently happening, that if you scale down to the weekly and the daily time frame, right, you see what's currently happening, that the market, that's the current trend of this market now, is actually coming down, right? Now, I already analyzed this market before, and I said that if it breaks this particular level, here's the next level target. And if it succeeds in breaking this level, this trend line is the next level target. Then, before it can break to this, once it breaks this level, right, just know that this market is still coming down to this particular point. Now, the current trend of this market, the current trend, when I mean the current trend, not the overall flow, the overall flow is an upward trend, right? The market is going to the upside, but the current trend of this market is a downtrend, right? And you want to, it will be good if the market, it's like if the overall flow is an upward trend, and if the current trend is an upward trend, that buy is always good. Do you understand? That if you are buying alongside those kind of particular, those type of market, it is always sweet. You're always making profit. Those times when you see that you are in a winning streak, what causes those winning streak are times like that. Do you understand? If you don't understand this particular, that's this analysis I'm doing, you won't understand what actually causes winning streak in your strategy, right? Now, but as you can see, that is not the case for GBP USD. GBP USD now, once you break this level, the next level target is this point here, but it will have problem at this point here. That's if it's unable to break this level, it will start going up. That if it gets to this level, and as long as it stays below this trend line, the market might still go up. But if it breaks below this trend line, here is the next level target. And if it breaks this level, just know that the market is falling down, to continue falling down to the downside, right? But let me not say anything, right? The market, as long as it breaks, as long as it stays below this zone, it is going up, right? As long as it stays below this zone, it is still going up. But as you can see, the market is still coming down, right? Like this already is a downtrend. So if you are to scale to your daily time frame, you can now see if you scale to the 4 hours, then that's when you see your highs, lows and highs properly, right? But you can see like there's this thing I mapped out already, right? So Now, as you can see, the market went, this is the touch I made before. I said if this market breaks this touch, the next level target is this point here. And exactly, the market went this touch, it went up a little bit and then fell down to this particular point, right? Now, you guys are surprised. I said at the last time that this market is going to sell around this point here. They are saying, you are saying the market is going to sell at a support line. It's crazy, but this stuff, I've seen it happen a couple of times, and it's based on experience, right? The market went up a little bit and then fell down and break. Now, this market, if this market stays below this level and is unable to break this level, it might continue going up as long as this market does not break this trend line. If it breaks this trend line, let's say it breaks this trend line to the upside, let's just know that, the market is it will start coming to the upside, which is around this level here. The market will start coming to the upside, and here will be one of the price we're targeting. So what we'll do is that let's clone this, right? I'll be removing this as well. I'll be removing it. Let me just put it here. There's also a level here. That if this market breaks this level to this point, then what we'll be seeing is a movement to the upside. But in case maybe that doesn't happen, right? What could happen is that the market could break this level here and fall down to this particular point. So it will be more safer, right, if you are selling or if you are shorting this particular market, because buying this market will not be wise, right? It will be wiser if the market has broken this trend, that's this downward trend to the upside. That's the break of this trend like this. And if it breaks it to the upside, yeah, you can be buying, right? So if you want to see like what's really happening, you go to your 4 hours and then you see what's really happening in this particular market. Then you can map out your highs and lows of this market, right? Now, as you can see, right, there's a high here, there's a low here, there's a lower high, there's another low here, there's another high here, and then the market fell, there's a low here, created a high at this point, fell down to this particular point, and then broke this stuff, came down to this particular point again. Now, a student of mine called this trade that the trade was going to sell, right? Now, I was thinking that probably the market would get to this point and break this counter trend, but it respected the trend obviously and then started falling down. You see that even we that are teaching people how to trade, nobody is actually perfect, right? Stuff fell down to this particular point, went up, then broke down to this particular point. And you see that the market did a lot of shenanigans at this particular point here, right? Based on this particular level, it's a key level, right? The market downs, and the next it breaks down to this particular level. And then what we saw was a break and then a retest. So you see this retest now. For those persons that I didn't take the trade, right? I didn't take the trade. I wasn't even watching the pair. So for those persons that would take this trade around this particular point here and then short to this particular point, this is a good one is to theory, right? This is a good one is to theory. So the market would have simply give you profit, and that's it. To this point here, so this one was a good trade, right? Let's see how long this trade would have even taken, right? So from on Wednesday, on the 5th of March, down to like what's it called, Friday, which is today. So you'd have closed your trade today, this morning. So probably like 2 days. That's one thing about swing trading, right? Now, for those of you that are new to trading and you want me to coach you one-on-one, you don't really understand what I've said in this particular video, right? Now you can reach out to me using the first link in the description. I'll be training you one-on-one. It's a paid mentorship, and for those of you that probably don't have money, you can also use, there will be a link in the description for a free. This particular free 1 month training is for beginners only, right? Now, if you don't want to waste your time, you just want to learn the knowledge fast, right? Use the first link in the description, and also join my free Telegram community where I'll be sharing trades like this as well. And I'll see you in my next video. I hope you guys understand. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.